Good afternoon, prospective York College students and families. I am Marcia Keizs, president of York College. I'm delighted to welcome you to this afternoon's open house. You will learn more about York College and why we are a great choice for you to pursue your higher education goals. The core of York's mission is to enrich lives and enable students to grow as passionate, engaged learners. Among the great features our recent alumni tell us they value about the York College experience are our small class sizes, our dedicated and committed faculty, the opportunity to conduct research, attend conferences, do clinical rotations in community hospitals or clinics, or to participate in internships. At York, we offer over 50 undergraduate majors ranging from those in the health sciences and teacher education, business, aviation, and accounting, and of course, our bedrock of liberal arts and science programs that offer majors in English, journalism, psychology, chemistry, biology, computer science, mathematics, and so on. And then there is the growing number of graduate programs: occupational therapy, physician assistant, social work, and pharmaceutical sciences. So you can go on to graduate work right here at York. If that were not enough to help you make your decision, let me share with you two important points of pride. Parents, listen up. Just this September, York College was ranked number 15 among top colleges in the northern United States by U.S. News and World Report. Also, the Institute for College Access and Success has ranked York College 2 years in a row as the #1 college in the nation, graduating students with the lowest amount of student debt. At York College, you will receive a high-value education at an affordable cost. Students, I know you're excited, and your parents perhaps even more so. At the close of the open house, I'm confident you will choose York. Enjoy your day.